Here converting rupees into paisa. So two type of sums you have here. Simple rupees 2, rupees 3. This is very simple. We all know that rupees 1 we have 100 paisa. So what to do? Rupees 2 we have 2 into 100. It means 200 paisa. So rupees 3, 3 into 100, 300 paisa. So next, now here look at here carefully, rupees 15 and 50 paisa. So what to do? First we will multiply 15 into 100. That will be 1500. Then plus 50 paise. So what will be here? We have 1515 paise. Here also write paise. This into 100, it will be paisa. Then you put plus 50 here. Very simple. Rupees 15 and 50 paisa. 15 into 100, 1500 plus 50. So we have 1550 paisa. Same here. Rupees 10, 10 into 100. So we have 1000 paise plus 10 paise. So what we have? 1010 paise. First we will multiply by 10, then convert it into paisa, then next the money, whatever here in the form of paisa, add this, that the total paisa will be there. That is this one. 1010 paise. Convert each of the following into paisa. Now paisa means P. Here we have rupees 5 and 65 paisa. Now what to do? You all know that 1 rupee we have 100 paisa. So first multiply by 100, then plus paisa. Here we have 5 into 100 is equal to 500 paisa plus 65 paisa. So here we have 565 paisa. But here no need to do multiplication all the time. Some tricks are really magical in maths. Here when you are converting this amount into paisa, just take off this dot. Now look at here. 5, I am explaining only 1. 5 multiplied by 100. Here we have 500 plus 65 paisa. So here we have 565 paisa. But now no need to multiply all the time. Now it is very easy. Almost sometimes these type of sums are coming only of half mark. So what to do? We will write 520 paisa. So remove the dot only. Now here we have rupees 14 and 50 paisa. What to do? Remove the dot. 14, 50 paisa means 1450 paisa. Again here we have rupees 18 and 40 paisa. What to do? Now in your mind you are doing this. 18 into 100 paisa, we have 1800 paisa plus 40 paisa. Again the amount will be same. So what to do? Remove the dot. 1840 paisa. Now here we have rupees 3 and 75 paise. So what to do? Remove the dot. 375 paise. So again convert each of the following into paisa. Whenever we have amount in the form of rupees, rupees 5 and 65 paisa. What to do? Remove the dot. We have 565 paisa. Here we have rupees 5 and 20 paisa. What to do? Remove the dot. We have 520 paisa. Here we have rupees 14 and 50 paisa. So what to do? Remove the dot. 1450 paisa. Here we have 18, rupees 18 and 40 paisa. Remove the dot. 1840 paisa. Why we are doing this? In 1 rupee we have 100 paisa. So here this is amount of number of paisa and this is number of rupee. So remove the dot and do it like that. Here we have convert each of the following into rupees. 315 paisa. Symbol of rupees is this. Whenever we have to convert it into rupees, then again we have the correct method is this. We have to divide 315 by 100. 100 threes are 300. Here we have 15 remainder. This is paisa, this is rupees. But again we have magical trick. What is that? We have to put the dot after the two numbers. So first two numbers in the place one sentence we have paisa and then we have rupees. So just put a dot and like put it here rupees 3 like that. We have to put only dot. Now come here, we have to put dot. Rupees 1 and 80 paise. Just put the symbol of rupees and like that. Now after 2. So we have no need to put it here comma now. Rupees 12 and 40 paise like this. Whenever we are converting into paisa, we have to remove the dot. In simple, if we have dot, we have to convert this amount into paisa. We have to remove the dot. But if the amount is in the form of paisa, we have to convert it into rupees. Then remove this, put symbol of rupee and put the dot after 2 digit and remove this comma also. Again we have ones, tens, 100,000 means we have to separate these. So after ones, tens, 100 we are putting comma according to number rule. But here when we are doing like this, we will put symbol of rupees and then 3, 35, 50. So what to do? Rupees 16.50. Remove paisa, remove this comma and put the dot after ones tens. Again I am repeating this, that is 315 paisa. We have rupees 3 and 15 paisa. How to read this? Rupees 3 and 15 paisa. Rupees 1 and 80 paisa. Rupees 12 after 2 ones tens. Put the dot. Now this is paisa, this is rupees, so no need to put this comma here. Now rupees 35 and 50 paisa. Rupees 60 and 50 paise.